Good morning, Randy here, Lano Equipment. Today we're going to talk about the newest machine that Bobcat has recently introduced, the S86. This machine is 105 horsepower. It has lifting capacity of 3,400 pounds. Weight of the machine is 9726. The unique thing about this one is 11 feet of dump height, 38 inches of forward reach. Far as the R-Series machines in general, they've designed it in a fashion that's a lot easier access as far as seeing the hydrostatic oil levels here. The grease certs are all added to the ends of the pins, so it makes it a lot easier access in respect to serviceability. The crossover bar has been raised so it's better visibility for the operator out the rear of the machine. This one is set up for the rear camera in the back side, and also it swings open. The engine is in it, elongated, allows a lot easier as far as access for servicing, less vibration, easier cooling, enlarged fuel filtration system, enlarged air filter, larger fuel tank, tie downs built in to the rear of the machine. Front side, one of the things that you'll notice is that on the side screens have now gone to Alexon on certain packages. Eliminate far as the wire mesh to look through, a lot clearer, easier to view out of the machine itself. The teardrop design, far as in regard to the front door, allows easier access in and out of the machine. This one has air ride adjustable seat. Push the lever up, the seat raises. Push it down, it lowers. This is set up with SJC, selectable joystick control. What that gives you is ISO control and H pattern. The ISO control, the left-hand control lever, will allow the operator movement of the machine forward, back, left, or right. The right control lever will give you movement of the boom arm and the tilt in front. When you throw the switch to H pattern, what changes is then both levers are your directional, forward and back. When you tip the right lever in or out, allows the quick attach to tip back and forth. The left lever will allow the boom arm itself to lift up and down. This also is set up with high flow, and then the new thing on the R-Series in this particular size has what's called super flow. So the standard flow system on it is 23 gallons a minute. The high flow jumps up to 36 gallons a minute, and the super flow goes to 42 gallons a minute. What will that do for you? Better performance on hydraulic attachments. And on previous footage, we've talked about the cast loader arm up here in front, the cast quick attach, easier for shedding soil, well built. And then also on the front, you got the D-rings up in front for tie down as well as on the side. Some of the unique things that Bobcat has offered on the newer model machines, one of them which is very important is the reverse flow fan. It takes and it allows the operator to take and change the flow of the air going through the cooling system. When it's designed and running standard, the airflow comes down through the screen here and pushes the air out the side. When you reverse the flow, then it draws it in on the side and pushes it out. You can set it on a timing so that what it'll do, you can set it 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, half hour, or every hour that it does a reverse flow, so it blows it out. Where we commonly see this used is guys that are using the equipment with brush shredders and stuff like that on the front, where you have a lot of wood chips, leaves, and debris flying around, and it's very important to do a reverse flow to keep the cooling system working properly. The other features that the newer machines offer as options is ride control, which the boom arm itself is cushioned, so when you're going through rough terrain, it cushions the arm, easier on the machine, pins, bushings, and operator. The other feature that it offers is bucket positioning. So whatever your bucket is at down low, As you lift it up, it stays in the same position as you raise, as well as when you lower. We have some machines available for immediate delivery. Give us a call. We'd like to work with you.